All right, Alyssa, here we go. 11:16 on this Wednesday morning. And boy, the whole picture has changed ever since several hours ago. We had all the clouds. We had some showers, even a couple heavier showers around 6:30, 7:30 this morning in GR. Those long gone, and there is no chance that any showers are coming back today. We're just going to be losing more and more cloud cover with time as the atmosphere dries out from top to bottom. This is the look in Grand Haven, where I would say overall, from the camera lens I was showing you, this is the same one, of course, from a few hours ago. It looks pretty similar, and waves expected to be between about 2 and 4 feet this afternoon. A moderate beach, a moderate swim risk out there. So as I mentioned on the morning show, I would recommend not going in the waters today, tomorrow, nor Friday as far as swimming. I'm not a boating expert, but perhaps there are some folks that still do go out on the waters when the waters are choppy. So can't tell you about that, but definitely as far as swimming, you don't want to be in these waters that can be accompanied by rip currents. We've got a small craft advisory, folks, that'll be ranging until 8 o'clock this evening, and waves eventually will come down because the winds are going to subside for a period here this evening and overnight before they start to crank up during the daytime hours of Thursday. Here's a look at temperatures from north to south across our viewing area. Not a real big spread, lower to mid 70s at best, and we're going to be headed for the upper 70s to around 80 degrees by day's end. Now, why would it be cooler over towards Marshall at 68? Well, because the clouds have been hanging on a longer period there and some drizzle and spits of mist, but that all ending at this point. And sunshine will be breaking out for you folks in our southeastern communities as well. You see that little semblance of sprinkles and showers falling apart on the radar screen. So it is going away, this area of low pressure that did bring us some showers, as you know, yesterday afternoon. Then that lull during the late evening and overnight before a few more showers this morning. Drier air rushing in on westerly winds, but another system already showing up in southern Canada here, and this one's going to have some pretty good oomph through later today and tomorrow. That will move across the southern provinces of Canada and just to the north of Lake Superior late tomorrow morning into the afternoon, and strengthening as it does so. It's not going to impact us with much in the way of precipitation prospects on Thursday, but that counterclockwise flow is going to drive winds back in here and warm us into the lower to mid 80s on Thursday. Right now, though, it's just pretty tranquil, and this is the wind graphic for tomorrow. So out of the southwest or the west at about 15 to 25 sustained. And we could have some wind gusts, folks, 40 to 45 miles per hour here by mid to late morning and afternoon on Thursday. It's going to be a windy occasion tomorrow. Waves on Lake Michigan about 5 to 7 feet. So, yeah, you want to stay out of those waters on Thursday. Future track model, this is where we are right now. And the hours to come, barely a cloud in the sky if you do see one. Overnight tonight, mostly clear conditions. We go into early tomorrow morning. This is the time code at 2 a.m. on Thursday. That's tomorrow, of course. And we'll take it out into the mid-morning period. You don't see much happening. A little band of clouds will come along with that system I was talking about in Canada. We'll be dragging a cold front through here by early afternoon, and it may have enough to cause a stray shower, but nothing substantial, no severe weather, just a shower or two, and then it's gone. 7-day forecast shows the numbers rising into the low to mid 80s tomorrow, and then behind that system, boy, it's going cooler. Alyssa, we may struggle to get into the lower 70s on Friday. We'll gain a few degrees Saturday into Sunday, and then early next week, a lot of question marks in terms of how this is going to play out. We could actually end up being warmer than shown there if the newest runs of the models come to fruition, but there will be a chance of showers at some point Sunday to Monday and Tuesday. I'll have more coming up here in just a few minutes.
Anthony, thanks. Well, as